Hey everybody, it's Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to create your very first Facebook page post. Facebook's a great tool for any business that's looking to share its knowledge and products and services with the wider world and your target audience. And to get started with your first post, we just need to go into the Facebook page that you've set up, and we need to scroll down until we see the Create Post button here. We want to click on it and we want to select in Facebook. And the first thing you want to do here is come up with the text that you want to be showing in your post. So we're just going to write a quick example here in relation to the page we just created for New Zealand car wreckers. We're then going to go down to add to your post. This gives us an opportunity to add a photo, a call to action button, such as getting a WhatsApp message or getting a message that can be sent to our page. In this example, we're going to add a photo. We're then going to select the image that is applicable to this post, and we will then have a preview of what our post is going to look like with the text at the top and also for the image right here. And once we're happy with that, we go down to the post button right here and we click on it. This is then going to publish your very first post onto Facebook. Congratulations, here it is down here. You've got your first post up on Facebook. I hope you found this video tutorial useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to smash that like button down below. And I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.